Look at this. Look at this. Stay the fuck back. What's up, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Man, I'm happy to make it to my second riding season. Year number 2 with the girl. I have been getting better at riding. I sense it. Turning, accelerating, all that jazz. Haven't stalled as much. It's just been great. I'm just a lot more confident, but you know, like the saying goes, you don't want to get too confident on a bike because that's when you fuck up. So we're gonna be heading to a store about maybe 2 or 3 towns down on the highway, maybe 4. Gonna go try on some jeans. It's a pretty hot day. I'm probably gonna go get some ice cream as well, and just enjoy a nice ride. Maybe get a little speed somewhere in between these cars and the highway. But yeah, that's the objective for today. Try on some jeans, maybe buy something, and go get some damn ice cream, because it sure is a hot one today. Damn, she was slumped. I don't know if you guys seen that on camera, but that woman was fucking slumped. Some damn ice cream. She was knocked the fuck out. I've been trying to meet some damn people. That way I can go riding in a group. I still have not done a group ride yet, which is a little annoying, but you know, everything comes in time, so I'm not rushing everything. I'm gonna say it, I don't know if anybody else will, or if anybody else has, but man, COVID is over, guys. I don't know. My commutes to work have been way more filled with a lot more traffic, and it has been a pain in the butt again. COVID is over. That was my point. COVID is over. I'm not vaccinated. I have to, because when I go back to school to finish out my last freaking year, I do have to be vaccinated because they're forcing us. I mean, who knows? Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I haven't really formulated an opinion on getting vaccinated. I mean, there is a reason why we don't really have measles and polio anymore, and that is because a lot of us, you know, and your parents have been vaccinated already. So who knows, maybe getting the COVID vaccine might be a good thing. I mean, people were probably scared about getting the vaccine back then too. So I mean, who knows, it might end up being a really good thing that a lot of people are getting vaccinated. I mean, because I already know a lot of adults have. I'm not sure about young adults and teenagers. I don't think they have as much. But all the political correctness and the political tensions that were the past year, well, I think we could all put that behind us now. We all know how Biden has been doing. We all know how Trump did. Hate him or like him, you know, he definitely had an impact on last year. But all that aside, get the vaccine, maybe. Don't get the vaccine, I don't know. You guys comment down below if you guys are going to get the vaccine. I actually am interested in understanding the psychology that other people are having in regards to the vaccine. Are you going to get it? Are you staying away from it? You know, I know motorcycle riders tend to probably lean more politically right. In my assumption, I'm not entirely sure. I'm a little politically right than I am politically left, but you know, I try not to be biased when I'm taking in information and providing information to others. So comment down below, let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the vaccine. Like it, hate it, not getting it, screw it. Everybody is gonna die from COVID. Who knows? I mean, just let me know your guys' thoughts. This guy's trailing behind me pretty damn close. Stay off my ass, asshole, because if you hit me, I'm gonna, oh my god. Come on, bro. What are these guys doing, bro? Look at this.
Somebody come look at this.
Stay the fuck back.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Riding up on my ass. You little Volvo, slow ass Volvo, beat up Volvo. Look at you. Your light's not even working properly, dipshit. First things I realized as a young adult, people are stupid. I try not to let it bother me, but god damn, bro. I mean, listen, we all have our moments. But I mean, I've had a lot of retard moments. Or can I even say that? Is that politically incorrect? I've had my fair share of stupid moments, but god damn, I hate people sometimes. They are just dumb. What the hell's going on over here? Oh shit, god damn. Yikes, bro. Yikes. Oh, I ran over something. God damn. Alright, so we're coming up upon the store that I'm going to. It's DXL, you know, because I'm big body. This is why I hate 22. 22 is the worst goddamn design highway on the planet, bro. Like, why would you put stores in between the highways? Have all these dumbass jug handles where there's cars jumping out from the left side all the way to the right side. You got people doing stuff like this, like half ready to kill somebody. Yo, honestly, I hate this highway so much. The poorest design highway on the goddamn planet and in the state of New Jersey, hands down. Alrighty. Yeah, so I just had to cop a pair of Levi's for a brother, and a nice button down short sleeve shirt for work and for play. Broke the brake though. That shit was 125. This place is a great place for big boys like me, but god damn, that shit is expensive. Shit. So this is gonna be an interesting ride. I'm gonna have to ride with this thing right here, and then pray for the best. You know what I mean? Alright, boys. Alright, let's go get some damn ice cream. It's always a nice time when you treat yourself, you feel me? Oh no, I'm reversing back. Oh shit, let me stop for actually reversing back too quickly and crash into some shit. Alright. Alright. Ghost mode activate. It is 90 degrees. About to take this turn, going 103. Oh, goddamn. Come on, guys. Come on, boys. If y'all can't accelerate into this goddamn lane, then you boys are missing out. I'm about to have a nice drive back. About to put a turbo on my butt crack. Wait. Is that gay? Sorry, people. In 103. Whoa. About to break my face into a fucking Kia. Whoa. What are you doing? What is this fucking semi doing? Hi. Oh, people are stupid. Let's smoke this Tesla. Let's see what I got against a Tesla, baby. I just want to get me some ice cream, Lieutenant Dan ice cream. To get a green apple, blue raspberry. Hey, can I get a small Italian ice, green apple and blue raspberry? Thanks, have a great day. Oh, I gotta take this helmet off again.
Beautiful piece of art right there, guys. I'll be nice for you boys. I'm gonna share some with you guys. You guys ready? Say ah. Here's another bite for you boys. Psych, nah, that's for me. Nothing like cooling off with some nice goddamn ice. Fuck, I got a brain freeze. Oh.
I'm gonna smoke this. I'm gonna smoke this taxi cab. This taxi cab's not even gonna know what's coming to him. He's gonna be like, "What? That thing is so fast." Oh, okay. He almost got the green light. Oh, this taxi cab wants it. Oh no, he's beating me. Fuck out of here, bro. Bye bye. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm about to go meet up with my girlfriend. So if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and be sure to forward my video to somebody else who you think will enjoy it. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace.